Mi nombre es Ariana Buscaglia y en el capítulo de hoy te voy a estar pasando otro ario que se trata de mi 8 favorito. My name is Ariana Buscaglia and I will give you in this video another Gogo tip that is my favorite 8 on the stage. So if you want to learn how to make these moves, because I will be teaching you step by step so you can do it also. ¿Sí? Si quieres aprender cómo hacer este movimiento vos también, seguime que en este video te voy a estar explicando el paso a paso para que también lo puedas hacer vos. ¿Vamos? Lo primero que vamos a hacer es comenzar con nuestro movimiento de brazos. Ya luego les voy a enseñar las distintas partes del cuerpo para que también puedan acompañar esta rutina y verse conmigo siempre con mucho más flow. Así que vamos a empezar. I'm gonna teach you in this video the first moves. We're gonna start with your arms. So then after that, I'm gonna teach you the other part of your body so you can go the far. I will be doing this video half in Spanish, half in English. Sí, voy a estar haciendo este video mitad en español, mitad en inglés. So it's easier for you to follow step by step the moves, ¿sí? Así es más fácil para que puedan seguir los movimientos. So let's begin. What we're going to do is to put your hands to the back. Hands to the back. So first move is this. 1. Second move, you put your arms up. ¿Sí? Para subir sus brazos. 2. It's like you cross in here, see? Like I cross my hands, so it's 1, cross, 2, and now this move is like this. This arm, this hand that was here, see esta mano que estaba aquí, will go to your shoulder, but to the opposite shoulder, see, al hombro opuesto. So this goes here, and this one goes to the opposite shoulder, but in the back, see, esta va a ir al hombro opuesto, pero atrás. So you do like this, you see? Both at the same time, ¿sí? Van a hacer los dos al mismo tiempo. Entonces vamos a ir de nuevo. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. ¿Sí? This hand to the front, opposite shoulder. This hand in the back, opposite shoulder. You cover your face. Okay, like this. Perfect. The next move is gonna be like this. We're gonna switch. This hand that was touching this shoulder, we go to this shoulder. It's like you cut your head, ¿sí? Esta mano que tenían acá en el frente la van a pasar al otro hombro opuesto como si se cortaran la cabeza, ¿sí? So here, here, here. And the hand that you have in your shoulder, but in the back, you do the same move to the opposite shoulder, ¿sí? Esta mano que teníamos acá y la mandamos atrás, va a ser lo mismo pero al hombro opuesto. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, change, 4, see? Again, like this, and change. Yes? And now we're gonna switch. Vamos a volver a cambiar. The hand that was in the front goes to the back. You see? We're doing like this, and then to the back. And the one that was in the back, we do the same but to the front. It's like you do like this. You go like this, this. You switch. So again, here, switch, up. De nuevo, así, hombro puesto, cambiamos de atrás para adelante y abrimos. ¿Sí? And then you go back. Practice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is open, ¿sí? And then 6 up. You got it? Let's practice again, ¿sí? ¿Lo tienen? Vamos a practicar de nuevo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when you reach the 6th move, you can do like different moves. You can do like this, for example, as I did it before, that I was in 6 with my hands. My hands were facing the floor, and now they face up. So I switch, I move my wrist. And that's why it's so important when you realize that your body, beside your arms, you have different things to move. ¿Sí? De eso se trata cuando les digo la importancia de aprender a mover las distintas partes del cuerpo. Let's check my videos that I've been talking about the different levels of your body. ¿Sí? Chequen mis videos donde hablé de la importancia de los distintos niveles del cuerpo. And check my videos about the importance of having a momentum, ¿sí? También chequé mis videos de la importancia de tener un momentum, porque acá lo vamos a aplicar y van a ver qué hermoso que se ve y cómo marca la diferencia, ¿sí? We're gonna apply this on this sequence and you're gonna see how relevant and how good it looks like when you apply everything, you know? Let's do it again. So we were in the six. If you were facing your hands down, we're gonna switch up. So you are like this. And then you can create a momentum, ¿sí? Después pueden crear un momentum. So you were like this, and you can go slow in the 8, ¿sí? So you were 6, 7, 8, and you create a momentum. What else I do in practice? So I was like this, 6, 6, 6. Oh, this one is another one that I do always. So for this one, you're gonna do like this. 1, sí, para este movimiento vamos a hacer así, manos atrás, up, 2, opposite shoulder, 3, switch shoulder, 4, 5, you switch again, but we switch the place, and then this goes down, and the other goes up, and we switch, and then you touch your ear, you switch your face, and then you pull your waist to the other side, and it's like this. How we can change. So remember, the first one was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 6. Cambiamos las muñecas, 7, and then 8. You see? You can actually do 7, 8. If you're gonna do like this, if you're gonna do like 8, remember that you always must. ¿Sí? Siempre recuerden que tienen que poner sus piernas bien derechas. Ponen pierna adelante bien derecha, pierna atrás bien derecha, saco cola, push your butt to the back. You see? Like this. I'm gonna show you different angles. Like this. Always. And your back, ¿sí? Su espalda tiene que estar bien derecha. Always very, very straight your back, okay? Like this. You go like 6, 7, and you pull to the back. Okay? And it's like you have a surface and you clean the surface. See, you do like this. But your legs always super straight. You see? Así. Siempre las piernas bien derechas y es como que empujan con la cola y acá limpian la superficie. You clean the surface. You see, my lines are very, very clean. Okay? Like this. You can have different moves. The most important and the most, my favorite moves is the one that I teach you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch your wrist, 7, and then you create the momentum that you want. Like 8, works, and then you pull it 10, 1, and then you continue 2, 3. You can add different moves. I'm just going, you know, ustedes pueden agregar diferentes movimientos, yo ya estoy más creando. Pero lo más importante es el movimiento de brazos que a mí me encanta. Entonces, el fácil que vamos a aprender hoy, que les acabo de enseñar, es el de recién. ¿Sí? Manos atrás, arriba, hombro puesto, cambio adelante, voy arriba, cambio mi muñeca y creo un momento. What we're going to do with our legs is important. As you can see, I've been moving like this. You can move to one side, to the other side, to one side, to the other side. Si puedo mover de un lado al otro. You can go to the front and to the back. Yes, si pueden ir adelante y atrás, por ejemplo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see that I've been combining, I've been doing a couple to the front, a couple to the side. Feel free to do whatever you want, but remember that you have also legs. Because it's not the same if you move only your arms, that if you move like your arms and your legs. It looks so much better, you see? So pay attention to this. The same as I told you. Pay attention. I already talked about this in my video, but pay attention. You have fingers, then you have wrists. Sí, pay attention que tienen dedos, muñecas, la cabeza. Yes? It's not the same to do like this. That you do like this. But just try to go with the flow. Okay? So I'm gonna show you a couple of moves after this. But if you like this video, if you like how I explain this video, I invite you to like the video, to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos about this. ¿Sí? Si te gustó este video, te gustó como lo expliqué, le das un like, te suscribís en la campanita y estás atenta porque voy a estar enseñando mucho más movimiento de la manera más fácil posible para que vos que estás empezando también lo puedas hacer. ¿Sí? I'm gonna teach you a couple of more moves so you that just are beginning or just want to incorporate this to your routine, you can do it also. So I send you a big kiss. I hope you like it and I see you on my next episode with another Ari Gogo Tip. Sí, te espero en el próximo episodio con otro Ari Gogo Tip. Te mando un beso grande.